Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. La Pocatière is a small city located on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River in the Bas-Saint-Laurent region of Quebec. It sits between Quebec City and Rimouski and has a population of about 4,000 people. The area is known for its mix of rural landscapes, education, and light industry. The origins of La Pocatière date back to the French colonial period when the land was granted under the seigneurial system. Early settlement focused on agriculture, with farms laid out in long, narrow strips stretching from the river inland. This pattern still influences the landscape today. The name La Pocatière comes from the Pocatiere seigneury, which was established in the 17th century. The seigneury system played an important role in organizing settlement along the St. Lawrence River and shaping the development of many communities in Quebec during that time. One of the most important institutions in the city is the Collège de Sainte-Anne de la Pocatière, founded in the early 19th century. It became a major center for education in the region and contributed to the training of teachers, clergy, and agricultural specialists for rural Quebec. Agriculture has always been central to the identity of La Pocatière. The region benefits from fertile soil and a favorable climate for dairy farming and crop production. For many generations, farming has supported the local economy and shaped daily life in the community. In the 20th century, La Pocatière became known for its role in transportation manufacturing. The city was home to a major rail equipment plant operated by Bombardier, which produced railway cars for use across Canada and internationally. This industrial development brought jobs and growth to the area. The St. Lawrence River has played a major role in the history and development of La Pocatière. It served as a transportation route for trade and communication long before modern highways were built. The river also continues to influence the local climate and economy. Today, La Pocatière remains a regional center for education and agriculture. Institutions such as agricultural research centers and colleges continue to support innovation in farming practices and rural development. It remains a small but important community in Eastern Quebec, shaped by its history, geography, and long connection to the St. Lawrence River. Thanks for watching!